how to make money on freelancer with SEO services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I were a business owner or an individual looking for a SEO services or someone with SEO services, they would just come to the platform, go to hire freelancers, click on by skill, and here I'm going to search for SEO services like hire SEO specialists. Then here you're going to hire expert SEO experts for any job. By scrolling down, you will be able to see all of their profiles, as you can see, and here by clicking on see more freelance, see more experts, you'll be able to see all of the freelancers that are doing SEO services, like this one's profile here, SEO for quality, another profile, web link building, and all of these people, you can check their profiles, see how much they're getting paid per hour, see their descriptions and their headline as well, see the stars that they've got in their profile, and you can even check their profile. If it fits your requirements, you can hire them then. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people to showcase your skills as well. So let's go back to the main page. And I'm going to show you how you can create your profile. So here, click on earn money freelancing and make sure to fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. And then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username and my password, then click on login. And I will wait for it to redirect me. So this is your dashboard. It's where you're going to control everything that you're doing in your profile. So go to your top right, click on this button, and here you will be able to see your account. You can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, your settings, and when it comes to finances, you can check your balance in here. You can add funds, withdraw funds. You can see your transaction history. So here you can see your transaction history. And let's go back to our account. Also, you can see your payment sharing. You can see your support. You can invite friends or log out. So here we're going to go to view our profile. We still have a lot of things to set in our profile. So let's wait for it to load. So here, as you can see, our profile is still empty. 0 reviews, 0 money, 0 likeliness, 0 jobs completed. So our profile is still fresh, still just created. And the first step of improving our profile is editing our profile. So here you will need first to verify your email address or your email account in order to make adjustments to your profile. And then after you're verifying your email, make sure to add a profile picture and a cover photo as well, because no one will want to work with a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. And after you're done with the profiles, then you proceed to the verifications. So here, make sure to join a preferred freelancer. As you can see, you're not a member of our elite group of the best freelancers, so make sure to join their preferred freelancers. Then you have to verify your identity. As you can see, identity not verified through a government issued ID, check and approve of address. Same thing with your payment method, not verified to have a valid payment method. Phone number as well, email, we talked about it before. And you can also connect your Facebook account. And if you are wondering why do I need to verify all of these things, simply it's going to help it's going to help you gain more trust and more credibility in this platform. And if you have more trust and credibility, it will be easier to get more clients and eventually to make more money. So when you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to choosing your hourly rate. After that, you enter your professional headline and you type your summary as well, which is your description, in other words. And it's where you're going to talk about yourself, talk about your experience, your previous experience, and talk about your skill. Then you proceed to choosing your skills. So here, click on this pencil in here, and you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these skills to add our own. So here, let's go with SEO services, and we have SEO writing, SEO auditing. Let's go with SEO writing, SEO auditing, search engine optimization, SEO white hat SEO. And here we have SEO, and SEO stands for search engine optimization. And after you're done with your skills, go down and click on save to save those skills. After that, you proceed to add in your portfolio. As you can see, no portfolio items have been added yet, so make sure to add a portfolio. It will help you also get more trust and credibility. Then you proceed to add in your experience as well, add education, qualifications, and publication also. And all of these things are going to help you gain more trust in this platform. And after we're done with all of these changes in your profile, then it's time to make some money. So let's go to browsing here, click on projects, and this is where you're going to see all of the posted jobs that are looking, all of the posted jobs from individuals or business owners who are looking for someone with your certain skills to hire. So let's remove WordPress in here, and let's enter SEO to see if there is some posted jobs about SEO. So here we have SEO pages and backend with Yoast SEO for $376. And as you can see, this is the description of the project, the required skills, and the time of posting, how much has, when did this project been posted. And you can see the other projects. You can enter the project and check it, and if it fits you, you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.